I am here at a park in Stanfield, North Carolina. I'm not sure how big the park is, but we're gonna walk it. And no, it's my first time walking a park here, so we're gonna see how big the park is and why I chose this place to walk. It's the day after of the rainstorm, so sorry there wasn't any video on that day, because can't walk out in the rain when it's a mess. I don't have the equipment for it. Welcome to the Randy Daily. My name is Randy. This is February 16th, 2026 on a Monday, President's Day. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Please subscribe below and comment and give me feedback so I know what you think, how I'm doing, and what you think I should be able to do in the future. Give me a thumbs up too while you're at it. So we're gonna go for a walk here. So I'm a day behind because yesterday, the Sunday, we had a rainstorm that kind of washed out the whole entire day, so we can't be able to do much of anything out here. So today, we're back on track, and we're going to do some more in days to come. Hopefully, I'll get some help from you in the future. So let's go for a walk. And as we're walking this park, I mean, it's on the backside of some other place. I don't know where that road goes to, but we're just going to walk it, see where it goes. Find the path. We got a baseball field here. We have another baseball field over here. And this is my first time being at this park, so we're going to learn a little bit more about this park as we walk it. And yeah, this lovely lady, a lovely picture. And being President's Day, I need to replace those flags up there. It's kind of battered and torn. Batting cage, maybe a pitching cage. I don't know what it is. How you doing today? Guess that used to be a baseball field over there. Basketball court. It's not a very big size one, but it'll serve its purpose. I guess tennis courts, maybe pickleball court. I'm not so sure down there. Let's go this way, see how big of a park this is. And we have a picnic shelter right there. I guess that is a tennis court, but now it's a pickleball court these days. Huh, remember this golf course out here. First time I've ever been out here. That's kind of neat right there, for something for the kids. Playground over there for the kids as well. We're gonna walk around and see where it goes, and wonder where hole one is. Right or left? Let's see here. Should I go right or should I go left? Let's go left to see where it goes. And if it ends that direction, we'll go the other direction. And see where it wraps around. It's a steep hill. It's a hole 3. I don't know if it goes up or down. Let's see what we got here. Got a bridge, goes over the park. And this path takes us to one of the whole 9, I think is what it says. I guess it's the end of the path, has a bench. But let's see what this whole 9 goes up that direction. It's par 3. Just so you know where it goes through there, up towards the hole. Interesting. Alright, let's go in this direction and see where it leads. So yeah, I mean it's a beautiful day. Way up there's the railroad tracks that go by. We're basically like in a valley area. I guess this floods as well when it's heavy, constant rain falls down here. Let's go about this area right here. This is Rock Hole Birch. That's what that is. Hole 9 has a sign that says hole 9 in that direction. Now I'll tell you what hole 1 is. Let's walk anyway, see if there's more path to this. Looks like a path through here. So yeah, it's not a big park. I could tell that from walking through here. Now it's this hole 4 up there. Okay. And you can tell it's not a big park. I mean, just walking around and just seeing where the sights and sounds are. If that's hole 3 there, I guess it goes up the hill to that basket where that sign says hole 4 in that direction. Let's get back onto the smoother path and see where that goes. That one must be hole, that's a hole 2 over there, so I guess somewhere in that direction. If you're not careful in your disc throwing, you may end up landing into the river or creek or whatever you want to call it. If you're not careful. I'm guessing that's hole 1. Down by the trees. That's my guess. It's kind of interesting when you see that. Goes underneath the train tracks. little bridge there goes across something. I'm guessing that's where you have to throw off to get to hole 2, which is down there. Let's find out, shall we? Yep, that's what it is. Simon tells you where hole 2 launch pad is. It's actually a pretty good launch pad. Just gotta be careful not to hit any trees along the way. So that's 2 and 3 down there. Where's 1 at? Anyway. Up there, I guess. That may be 1. Where is the start of 1? Yeah, that's a very good question. Feels like the miniature version of a park I walked at in Dallas, North Carolina. Which, if you want to see that, I'll gladly show you that at some point. That may be a sign for hole 1. I bet you. Compared to most holes I've ever seen, I think hole 1 has a nice little starting path. Yep, hole 1. And it ends way down there. There's another picnic shelter. Like I said, it's not a very big park. Hole 9's there. Where's hole 10? There's just 9 hole disc golf course. I don't know. Like I said, this is my first time being out here, just kind of seeing what it looks like. Got people playing down there. So yeah. My little mini adventure for the day. Trying to get some walking in, just kind of, like I said, it's been a day since we had that rainstorm on Sunday. And like I said, I'm kind of limited what I can do right now. And I'll definitely post more in the future. Hopefully I'll go to other places that you haven't seen before. Still haven't had only like 2 subscribers. I'm trying to work my way up to 1,000 by the end of March, maybe at the beginning of April. Hopefully I can get to 10,000 by, let's say by August maybe. But I need your support. Again, give me some feedback. Do you want to see more of these kind of videos? Do you want me to do some sports stuff that I enjoy? Do you want anything like gaming or comic book related? Or do you want some stuff that would be entertaining to? Please let me know in the comments below. And again, if it's your first time, or you've been here before but you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I like to get your feedback. So this is the Randy Daily. My name is Randy. And I hope you enjoyed this content enjoy this day. And hope you enjoyed this video. And again, I'll see you again tomorrow. Peace.